MSV, that is file is ready, you can see over here. So let me open this file. Okay, let me extract also this one. Okay, I want to be extract, obviously. Let me extract over here only. So see this file. Okay, now what we need to do with this file, let me close unnecessary folders, because many times guys are confusing because of the folder. Okay, let me go to the even this PC also. Right now check the step. What happened, they said that download msvcr this file. We already download. Extract that. Okay, extract and copy that file and paste it inside of where, C drive, Windows System 32. Are you getting? Over here we need to be extract that. Okay, so let's go where we want to be extract this file. Whatever we have extracted that file, where, in your download folder, this is we have to the folder. Over here one this file we have, that file I want to be a copy. Okay, you can cut also. I want to be a copy, and where I want to be extract, C drive, Windows System 32-bit. Okay, so this PC, C drive. Okay, then after what, C drive, then obtain Windows. Okay, Windows is where your Windows inside of the System 32-bit. Okay, where is the 32-bit? See, System 32-bit. Over here we need to paste that. What is C 32-bit? So let me paste it over here properly. Say continue. You can see right now I have that MSVCR120 DDL file inside of System 32-bit. Okay, then after next one, download MSVC 170 Microsoft, Reddish. This one is, we need to be a download this one also. Okay, so let's go. This file also we need to be installed. So let me copy this one. Okay, I want to go to the again back inside of your Chrome browser. I know the process are very lengthy, but without this process your nothing will be the work. Okay, so I'm going inside of MVC 170 download. Download this one is Windows related file. Okay, which one is important for your Hadoop purpose. Okay, because it's not like that your Hadoop is you can go to the download one particular folder, miss one particular, the Hadoop, and over there just next and install. No, you need to do to the configuration settings, because over here we are setting your server also, right? Everything are important. See, I'm going down, and after I want to be a download for your visuals. Which one we can able to download, let me check properly in the notes. So Microsoft Visual C++ Redis distributions to the latest support download, latest support, latest one. See, latest this one. So I'm clicking over here. I want to be download for to the 64-bit purpose. So let me click over here, and it started to the download. You can see it is take little bit time. Let's complete this process also. Let me pause the video till it is the downloading. So I again start the video. You can see right now my installation is done. Right now I can able to close this. What is that? Downloaded is done. Right now install your VC Redis x64-bit whatever we have. Okay, and which on your download in the 24 setup. Okay, which one we this one done. This one we need to be installed, and over here we are completing our all stuff. Okay, so let me do last stuff. It is we are closer. We are going over here in the this PC again back. Okay, so file explorer. Then again over here in the download folder, we VCV install. Double click over here. Okay, accept the terms and conditions. Installation. Say yes. And you can see it's a successfully done. So if you want to be restart, you must be restart your computer before you can use this software. So right now what happened, my video will be a pause because I'm doing to the restart. Okay,